Hello guys, I know it's been a long time since I last posted a video because I had some exams, but now we're gonna be making a roast chicken recipe. For this recipe, we're gonna need the next ingredients: a 2 kg chicken, chicken parts, onion, pickled lime, olives, aged butter, garlic, parsley. The spices are salt, curry, turmeric, black pepper, ginger. We're also gonna use oil. These are the ingredients for a single chicken of 2 kg. If you wanna do more, you just have to double the ingredients. The first thing we're gonna do is take the parsley and put it on a pot that we're gonna mix all the ingredients in. We're gonna take the garlic, also pour it in. We're gonna take the lemon, put it in. Some turmeric, some black pepper, some ginger powder, some curry, and then we add some salt and aged butter. We're gonna add a little bit of water so we can mix it. Now we mix it. And now we take the chicken and put it inside. And now take the chicken and put the sauce everywhere. Inside it, all over it. What do you guys think came first, the chicken or the egg? Leave it in the comments. After we add all the sauces, we're gonna leave it for 15 minutes so it absorbs all of the spices, you know. We're now gonna add the chicken part. We're gonna leave it in the sauce for half an hour, and then we'll go to the next part. We will add the chicken in our pot like this. And we will spread it on the bottom. We will take our chicken and we will put it back up because the cooking needs to be from the bottom. We will take our chicken parts and put them on the side of the chicken. Just like this. And then we take the oil and put it on the side. Just like so. And then we take 2 cups of water and pour them on the side. We will now put it to cook for about 1 hour to 45 minutes. We will not put the lid on until it starts boiling. And we will just move it from side to side just like this from time to time so it does not stick from the bottom. And then also you gotta put it on the side from time to time so it takes the color. And now we're gonna take it, move it like this so it does not stick from the bottom. And then we'll flip it to its side. We'll leave it for 10 minutes like this, and then after 10 minutes we'll flip it to the other side for also 10 minutes, and then we put it again on its base on the chest. And now I'm gonna flip it back to the back so it becomes on the top, just like this, after the time has passed. And then we take our olive and put it on the side. And now put the lid on and let it cook for about from 45 to 1 hour. After we take it out, it should look like this. For the taste, we're gonna add some aged butter. And now we put it in the oven and let it cook for about half an hour. We're gonna put it in the oven so it can take the color and look crispy and taste also crispy. This is our sauce. We're gonna put it in the same plate as the chicken when it's cooked. Now we're gonna put it in the plate in this way. And now we'll put the sauce on the side. If you wanna know how much time you should cook your chicken, for each 500 grams of chicken, you need to cook it for 30 minutes. So for example, if you have 1 kilogram and 500 grams of chicken, you need to cook it for 1 hour and a half. So this is the final result. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more.